FM 93.3. Easy.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yeah, no be everybody get chance of it, say another day, sir. For the street up, people there, sir. People dying, nipa huye mobo. Shrink up, boni ho. I come the wa, just a gari photo. New mo, yeah, what shake, babe.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
And where we reach now, it be only God, oh. I feel blessed with and blessings overflowing. Oh, this year we want to make it money.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Pabna Costi.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Bumbo clad for no, are we a control? Bad man settings, bad man
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. You say me take up an acoustic. That was Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Always we hustling, no off day. Charlie, we don't mind if we have a bad day. As long as God there, we still there. New more, yeah, what shake, babe. Blah, blah, man, ya be me a do go do. If I remember where we from and where we reach now, it be only God, no. I feel blessed with and blessings overflowing.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. You say me take up an acoustic. That was Ahenkan FM 93.3.
You want more of my comedy, cause it gets rid of your allergy. Yo, yeah. Your leg no fit my wallaby, but you just do a chale there for me, yeah. Oh, chale man, no get yeah. OMG, Maria, oh yeah. Baby, you will bring me blessing. Although you they bring me blessing. Baby, you they bring me blessing. Whoa, 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 whoa. OMG, Maria, oh. Like a millipede, take it slow for me. Killy, laru so go say. Philly, I dey show you ring. Whoa, yeah. I call it in and you come to me. Give it to me and you make her eat. Oh, baby, you make my head to the sweet.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Pabna Costi.
Whenever you're mine, want me to put a thing like this. Continue to do me like this. OMG, Maria, oh yeah. Baby, you will bring me blessing. Although you they bring me blessing. Baby, you will bring me blessing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. OMG, Maria, so Maria. Let me put my hands around you. Let me take you to my home, baby. I don't go balangale, no, Maria.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Baby, I don't go balangale, no. Yeah, 'cause everywhere I go, yeah, they giving you the credit. Everything I do, they say now you make I do. OMG, Maria, oh yeah. Baby, you will bring me blessing. Although you they bring me blessing. Baby, you they bring me blessing.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Pabna Costi.
for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart is a beat like do bad. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me, I am fair. I sing for you and I be like
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
now you I go pick up, I am fair, me, I am fair. But there we go. See, I may not give the world to you, but I'll give you what I have. Oh.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Shaz music, man.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Thinking I was playing the hard guy, and she made him miss you, babe. All of the times that I wronged you, I swear say me knew me who, yeah. And in my whole wide world, you the woman that gives me hope, yeah. Teacher, I won't pay, I no go do again. Ukwa is driving me insane. The times that I hurt you, give me twice the pain. Baby, this love is heavenly ordained. I placed you deep down in my heart. Ubiane winter, and that is a fact. Unfortunate and rather sad. Say you wanna go now, so I said, only man need a soul, yeah. You are my one and only. Baby, give me some more, yeah. Take grip of my heart and
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
baby, give me some more, yeah. Take grip of my heart and
Welcome, oh my baby, welcome. You made your points very clear, well done. I know you're tired and you wanna let me go, but on the contrary, I'm not ready to go, yeah. So what now? What do we do now? Is you gonna pull the trigger on the shotgun? Or give it another chance, let this one pass. Smoke one road and we fuck up you all night. Makanama dakanak don't know, baby, oh, yeah. Makanama dakanak don't know, baby, oh, yeah. Cause I wouldn't even think about it, wouldn't even think about it, wouldn't even need a song, yeah.
you are my one and only. Baby, give me some more, yeah. Take grip of my heart and hold, yeah. Only man need a soul, yeah. You are my one and only. Baby, give me some more.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I say your door, I give you love. And boy, you do away, but what you really want, say. I say your door, and you're my fault. I know you won't walk away, but try give it a thought. Cause you know what you mean to me. Till we jam it, y'all be incomplete. You know, say we got some history. Reason why I can never let you leave. Or don't wanna forget.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
I don't deserve a chance. Baby, you can't have me love and no go break a man. Till I'm not gonna forget to emphasize. We came along with the settling apart. My old body know I don't deserve a chance. No, maybe I'm guilty, but we never let you go.
Only man need a soul, yeah. You are my one and only. Baby, give me some more, yeah. Take grip of
The
my
mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hold up on a bit, film, where them a chat, bow, turn up.
Shaz music, man.
When you said it was over, my tears I couldn't control it. Thinking I was playing the hard guy, and she made him miss you, babe. All of the times that I wronged you, I swear say me knew me who, yeah. And in my whole wide world, you the woman that gives me hope, yeah. Teacher, I won't pay, I no go do again. Ukwa is driving me insane. The times that I hurt you, give me twice the pain. Baby, this love is heavenly ordained. I placed you deep down in my heart. Ubiane winter, and that is a fact. Unfortunate and rather sad. Say you wanna go now, so I said, only man need a soul, yeah. You are my.
That's right, so 93.3
Give me some more, yeah. Take grip of my heart.
Welcome to the Big Friday.
Only man need a
Yeah, on Ahenkan 93.3, and of course, song on the background coming from my man Joey Popkins, and he calls this one Hope. And the features Camido on this one. Only many that's so right here on the 3.3 of FM. Folks, welcome aboard. Set 1 just after 10. And this is the best mid-morning, undoubtedly. And we are to make your day a wonderful one. So just relax. Yeah, just relax. Just relax. Right, so we here. 93.3 of Juma. My name is Jenny Mechampon Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Jibruz Money. Call me Kobina Costi. Call me a Brunton Father Prophet Gentleman. And yes, indeed. Most certainly, we're here to make you happy. Right, so big shouts to all the taxi drivers and big shouts to my producers. Akosia the Padumas. DJ Shabo is back on post. Big shouts, Mr. Charles. Not to point here the first. The mama swire sunshine, but anyway, the fun is out. Big shouts to Kobe K. Brad David, you are taxi driver on want to say good morning. Good morning, come on, Pasco. And good morning to MP3 Stagawan Obama. And good morning, and come on, Oba Tampa Jonathan. Jonathan, I want to say, that's a panya coupon shot, Jonathan. Jonathan, say, ma, one Samran in Japan. It's in Ramini Jonathan, Kwakuna, your boy Kagrana, and in town. Not necessary for me any work, no more Jonathan fan. Jonah. Jonah, no very good morning. All of the times that I wrong you. I am out to me, Emma. I'm my Jonathan fans. Oh, my Tampani, Jonah. Now I say Kakra. Now I can be Jonah. Now I say Bako. But now driver for your fans. My mama fans is our one. That time Miss Russia, you know, a fan copy. Jonah.
I say you bonus, so I say only man need a soul. I'm a one and only. Baby, give me some more.
Alright, so the only way to do great work is to love what you do. I love what I do. Baby, give me the passion for this job. It's on a different level. I love being on radio each and every morning.
You make your points very clear.
And I love being
I know you're tired and you wanna let me.
a radio presenter. Trust me.
I'm not ready to go.
I love this job. In fact, I love my job.
What do we do now? Is you gonna
Nyami.
the shotgun?
So, mommy, and
Chance let this one. One road and we forgot you.
Right, so I'll bring you a motivational message. Good morning and come on. I send it for you now, and I'll say good morning, so and come on. Mr. Orbin, if you are being JD, Obi Awuti Ebi no pay good morning. Right, so bring this song back. Music from Joby Popkin. I came out down here no free. One Camido, and the cause this one Hope. I love this song. But down Charlie, you want your man. Trust me. So whilst we are waiting for the new jam from Joby Popkin, let's enjoy this one. Joby Popkin, Camido, Hope.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
When you said it was over, my tears I couldn't control it. Thinking I was playing the hard guy, and she made me miss you, babe. All of the times that I wronged you, I swear say me knew me who, yeah. And in my whole I told you the woman that gives me hope, yeah. Teacher, I won't pay, I no go do again. Uko is driving me insane. The times that I hurt you, give me twice the pain. Baby, this love is heavenly ordained. I placed you deep down in my heart. Ubiane winter, and that is a fact. Unfortunate and rather sad. Say you wanna go now, so I say only man need a soul. Yeah, you are my one and only. Baby, give me some more. Yeah, take grip of my heart and hold it. Only man need a soul. Yeah, you are my one and only. Baby, give me some more. Yeah, take grip of my heart.
Welcome, oh my baby, welcome. You made your points very clear, well done. I know you're tired and you wanna let me go, but on the contrary, I'm not ready to go. Yeah. So what now? What do we do now? Is you gonna pull the trigger on a shotgun. Or give it another chance, let this one pass. Smoke one road and we fuck up the whole night. Makanama they can act like don't have a baby, oh yeah. Makanama they can act like don't have a baby, oh yeah. So we need me fin party, we need me fin party, we need me need a song.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
can't live without you. Baby girl, you for hold me, make I hold you. Baby, you for touch me, make I touch you. Order you, me I go slow you. Anything you want, baby, I go buy you.
Two for the money, three for the fun for the party. Two for the money, three for the honey, four for the four when you shake your bum 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 bum. See, me I like to party, party with the boys that get money. Me I like to party, party with the girls that get body with it. Go down when the music come up, go down when the music come up, then go down when the music come up. When the DJ get them then it's on up. Say me I like to party with Rashida and the Nancy. See me whining. Hold on, not talking in bottles. Say I like to party with Shakira and Beyonce from Miami. I like to chilling with Duce and Jay-Z. Just go down when the music come up. Put it down, I'm like, say we are raving up. Turn on when the music come. We are da-da-dee-dee-dee. Go down and jump. Everybody know when the DJ. One for the party, two for the shawty, three when you shake your bum 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 bum. See, me I like to party with the girls with their body. Me I like to party with the boys with their money with it. Go down when the music come up. Go down when the music come up. And they go down when the music come up. When the DJ gives them, then it's on up. See me wine, see me dip below, see me dance to reggae and calypso. At all, now in balo. Follow me one day, you go enjoy. I'll just spray your money, make all the girls them worry. Oh baby, make we jolly. Today I naughty. Just go down when the music come up. Put it down, I'm like, say we are raving up. Just turn on when the music come. We are da-da-dee-dee.
Anything for my baby. She know they make her body, yo. Now they give me body, yo. You show me love I never know. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Me not go fit to let go. Girl, I wanna put it on you. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girl for me and by you bada. Tell me who on you, mommy water. I go be your Santa. Na de. Where you day, there I go day with you. Me and you be mood.
That's right, so 45 minutes past the FM. 93.3 FM. Remember motivational messages here. Right, so you can just jump on Facebook 93.3 FM. Just leave your messages there. And on Facebook, wait me the SMS and Swaba 0594-841-044.
I'm on my way in a little traffic.
0594-841-044. Alright, so let me give you a daily dose of motivation. And as you always know, it's being powered by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. So Color Studios and Digital Embroidery are chimoda. My catcher say, "Sebani ufoni ni ade papa. Ope picture ni daho. Opon ho, where are you from? In fact, program bia we bia no. Man kwa ya no nchani ntwa ufoni anda chibi wa nche. Na say the virus atiesi ufoni ni so no. Won za de ni bi da. Won za picture no wa phone so pa na. No more about it. For Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, for your wedding photography, birthdays photography, studio photography, picture frame with the passport picture near there. For Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, you're training one person musician photo shoot, video editing, video shooting near there. Your Liberty Transport, opposite Kino Pharmacy. We are still in the month of love into our check share. Still now free photo shooting in Kosovo Color Studio. 0245-276638. 0245-276638. Mami fine chaka siapa. Mami fine chaka siapa. Mr. and Mrs. Amponsan. We are press be suffer. Mr. and Mrs. Amponsan, we are presby software, yeah, at Chimwenji. I don't pay one who come for, I don't pay a chamina, a chamopan. Now, most of them must say, I said that presby bass one. Okay. Everybody, everybody, Mupa. It's the one I would try my Mr. and Mrs. Amponsan. Watching Wenchi. One of that presby as for Hanano. Remember when G&J? I said that praise it. Now the payment show on crying. Let me give you my daily dose of motivations. Right, so who you are today and what you will become in future is right in your hands. The choice is yours. Who you are today and what you will become in future is right in your hands. The future is yours. Ni awuti ene ene ni awobeye dachi no ekuta unzem. The choice is yours. Whoever you want to be in future. So person we yesikeni. Person sabi we hienia. Ejina wa also. Person we ni patitri. Person we ni pebi asabi odachi. Ebo odi ni aka asama ejina wa also. Enipa bi anso ye ba wodi kan asama ye wo mumienu. Sabe say ye ba wodi na ye ba wodi mpa. Ana say ye ba wodi na sabi o ye de kwase ampani asoso. Ejina wa unsem. Enti ade bia wo ya wasase su bia no. Na ba unsa da chi bi wobetwa so aba. Enti say wo ya na wo ye ni ye. Enti nipa ban a wo pesa wo ya da achi no ejina wo so. Na nipa wo ye enne no so no ejina wa wo so. Echi mesro sa wo bebo wa brabo ye. Na da achi bi no wanka se mi hu yanka. Adia ba ko e ya pan se. Want to wa kwan ye. Na nyoma ye basa. Na wo ye ho hwea enye ye. E ya pan. Ena adia ba ko aye wo ye ne den entimi nkɔ na chi. E ye mre. Wo ye den entimi nkɔ na chi da. E ye mre. Ene bia jesa wanga sa wo fa watch no na wo chim kɔ waji aba boa. Wana wo chim ba ye de ye kɔ ye nim. E che mesra ni a wo pesa wo ye da achi no. Na wo fiase ene. Wo fia homwa na se ene. Wo pesa o ta asa da achi an fa ya no nto. Fia homwa na se ene. Wo ya taxi driver wo pesa da achi bi ko anga sa kuta wo car. E ba cho yan fa ya no kuta ye car. E na me se ya den. What is school at this school pa? Na me kondo se me kobi. Na so me papa mfa man kobi. Na so me anga sa me transit na me ka che me ho se. Se papa we yan fa man ko school I don't trust me ntimi nye ye abrabo no mu. E da achi kuta me anga sa. Ene me no ka say. Owo company a oyengo. Asa ngo short na sa wo kɔ ne nkyɛn na sa wanya bi a. Aje se wi ase Ghana hanya wonya bi wo ba bia. Se ngo short pa. Na wo kɔ ne nkyɛn na wanya ngo ni bi a. Na je se lai ngo na sampa. Ɔse me de me da akyehye me nsam. E ka kyerɛ me ho se. Me kondo school ba yan fam yankɔ. Enso sabe. Me nya kwase ampani da akye. Me ankasa me bɔbra no. Ɔse kɔbena eni adia me de fam abrabɔ ni mu no. Mankɔ busum bi ankyɛn for consultation. Mankɔ ba bi asa me kɔgye sikedro. Na emom eye me ne me nyame. Me bɔ mpa na me yɛ adwuma. Me bɔ mpa na me yɛ adwuma. Ene ne na wo hui. Company na wo hui. Ene nkɔfo ma e wo ma yɛ adwuma ma me nyina. Abatan nyina wo mo nyina no. E me ne den. Ene na wo hu ni a wo hui. So I catch them say that she be my ya a jamia so. Se minya yezwa a jamia so. I don't pay my coming so. Some so be ya a jna so. So so ya a jna so. What you are today and what you will become in future is right in your hands. The choice is yours. This is our daily dose of motivations. I don't pay young crown chance You're sure so would be two animal. I want to walk one year. Now I'm young from Swadachi. Good morning. Now, walk quiet back clinic watching Madame Chroma. Not hear me. Say, Yaria to and I say, Yaria can want to want to mean your Juma. Let me know by our dream. Also, Quando Juma Pan, that's why I ranger. Wakwase woni problem. Bomodiana fa drop him brana so ye. Na wanje yare den to ho, no ma wa yare sa na fa kofi. O pe na pa de. Wakwa e ba kle ne kwa che moda bangalo. Odan bangalo. Ahojo junction e jabo atin fie ho a. E na be hu bo akwa e ba clinic. Se brana yen 2 yare ase yen sa yare. Na fa ho ton yen je fa kofi. Frame was 0240226924 and 0248503189 0248503189 ODI Electronics Open TV at Brian can FM Fia telephone wa Open free gas cooker blender washing machine Brefia here Ebi ade opesa o ye no phone so dia tie number we na friend 0550900600 0550900600 enyo mani bebre aba bebre na aba Fix man capsules nonsense we yiditi isu toto Bema so den so to sana mema bebre na ye dwe. Amodwe na bi ye dwe won paso. Isu to sa dia na se mema dwe ba won paso de. Ba na sa na won mom sisi mu ade na ye guy pa. Na won mom sisi mu so nya de no. Ane dia wa fa so. Ba na sa uti uzaga se na mira na onya ba ko na menda. So chira no minya she yes this is one thing to chira no now fix man capsules wow fix man capsules see the yepa obe gba juma na fe ya bon sam na ne ade na ye musa wo ba juma jigudi nko ade a bema we do ya fix my capsules I scientifically tested and afei ya ji atomu se memedro papa ope crowd me friend potim na just obobo bi ne ade a bia be ye potim why I say what me da yansem ya bodi ya bon sam na ne ya fro kwaku ache kwaku sake kede jo enye aliza se ya boss man darling kwaku my sweetheart kwaku ada meti go bi nche no nya ko me hwa phone so was store ne better half era bi hey enko for jin samrane won dem ne ade better half pa stop na jai enye ni sikabio nemo what new weather open sisi mudi na wadi afesi aramzi ayo o ma me da wase pa se open sisi mudi di afesi ene o better half no ai chi de be ma bia so ti bi bobi ni ade a ebebo 93.3 FM fix mala mixture treat malaria headache dizziness and the betu as you fix arabella ointment skin rashes heat rashes and alpha so foot rots betu as achima dan chroma no ko both chemical our down main station and ko fu mu hono na obehu both chemical so ko no also fix man and as a fix arabella ointment and as a fix mala mixture ni bi ato 0205 885000 0205885000 o kon kran so dia that just it pharmacy bia achimo na kroma no o Chineba Drugstore, Amwafo Pharmacy, Walgreens Pharmacy, Chumesi Drugstore, and a Kennedy Drugstore. Fred was 0208-444442 and 0302-902-071. Right, so this morning, my catcher said there was special guest in the house. Yeah, they're sure so we are already. Alright, so the 6-star general is in the house already. D-Crime. Imbus Helba Mixture. Imbus Helba Mixture. Police in your drone. The number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and also malfunctions that affect the body. Michelle, Mansanka Imboost. That one now for a boosty immune system. Very good for both the strong and the sick. Pharmacy be our also police in here drove and you be at fair was 0246-208-496 and at 0540710113. Nanim penny phone didn't come on. I'm a jail bar clinic, my catcher say. Oh, dear. Hey, you didn't hear who? I just say, I can't ask someone, I just say, I can't hear any idea. Beba chobo rebusi sia wa maje wa clinic. For ya read the cohon typhoid ni ebe to asia the amount. Infertility ni ebe to asia. Ulcer, syphilis, menstrual problem oba. Osome be sweet. Na nsuo sa to die wo. Ebe dwosa. Aha. No akoma JCC a me 2 yare as 0244877840 and 0205045665. Ayo mo number. Opesa wo try wasi na otwa bia ma me pa chotie. A unique college. General students, general art students, business, visual arts, home economics, agric, general science students. Now the need to unique college. 100% passing rate is assured with free computer classes. They watch more than Kwame no we go at filling station. Yes, answer unique diploma college. Your mouth diploma in accounting and finance, diploma in human resource management, diploma in the marketing and advertising, diploma in customer service, diploma in project management, diploma in business administration. You have 50% scholarship for my first 50 students. Fair was 0540-779363, 0540-779363. Now for winning penny funding, come on here. Right, when you be my coming home, brother, the 6-star general is in the house, D-Crime.
Ghana Kuyafwe, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuyafwe to Nebia, and Fuet me Jim of Funina at the Bosso, Nititu any Esre, say Esre Naju for Bossodia, and an American for a Jill at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Nkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, Esre Nefi for Ebano, Agil, no first spray, Esre Swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as all the wetting Puerino, now the Agil, a spray. Esreni nyina so hye so mema esreni nyi bebre ansa na de agile akwaku spray so de hia se obehwe 10 tomatoes eketo no no hye ba akopedi egu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhireni a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no ekuefo mo nso dua bibi ti se binso enkate ana fe so ya binso no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekunfue na se prekope edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se enfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu enfue na nyina wuto vezila betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anase obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wudi nso 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase obefre 0544325030 ana 0270575030 Adama West Africa Ghana Kuyafo ye jimudi
Anobites ye drobi ana Mississippi ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti sei me ne yiri da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa yo to anobites ekono me ne ka so aboa me pa na misisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de sei me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bia eye se me ne me yiri ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me ma me tumrika ko tobi me no me ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de deserve fa ase mi si ye ni ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya deserve fa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo mi ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enura yu ko tobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato e wo achemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato bitters
Bafana kama sama mami Bafana di masama mami Bafana tuminyarewa Na wa mama wadi ya suchai Usisi ya uya Bafana eba misha Monoria Sasa brena maya ume Bafana eba misha Hambi basi Sufalans munamure Abibi duro mujata Bafana eba kapso Uno kapsos na unu misha Bafana Open for an enum, wouldn't feed me no jai, and what you be at me no now Ubenya Bafa Mr. in the capsules or my baby a tonu pabia. Those upon Fred Bafa so I can send what 0553511501 or 0208233058. Bafa Ujidia Jonkwa.
Bring it on. Oh yes, we get some at the Madishanma or more at Sim or down in Patemu. Titri one ma epe akonya akwa senior high school. No mako trewa since or an action yemu. Esan say National Senior High School was Santimantemo ya Sanimrani say Great National Abe Piemo ewa wada nene Patema. Aya ni Samson kokra. Courses now where you be a business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination. Remedial classes in so what the touch what the amount great national and the fast track remedial akabuma was what the classes by so at the amount ewa range experimental JHS and no ewa achimoda nkwantenum ECG office and then actually one more classes no echa se awia no miensa 3 p.m. 50 duada ekopim efia de bia enunti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register ewa great national opese of fire forms ni bia for ni chiremu ewa achimoda stop over fast track for 110 in one more from penny for I was 0244 92 36 36 TNBM 0244 92 36 36 Fred Great National was saying your 8 A's dream is done to you. I am standing tall. Bring it on. Bring it.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and dear Renny Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Rientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Middle, answer na the fear rampao.
Ha, a pine 20 and I'm a fear shamsano.
And no see a suprana.
A J. Pine and call limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And ya no quampun our home, me do so talk one mono, and your money say baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pines on and answer what then your men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Now, a dear bad enough. I will rap to be easy.
Aya Kashano, na media to a pupo be brain in us, and Nubia, Papa Pata, soon so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, Aya J. Piny snake reparent, na media to my sessan.
And no more one near my papa.
Binding quiz open and say, what did you, Madame? Well, was saying, Juana, I and one swan, and the woman child, Simon, not that.
And the way, dear, media does chira mansan eh fa no mo wo
je ban wo mo nioma no wo benye bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
So
Yemama kwaba eba St. Andrews SHS kase boiso. Ubi eje chesafi anamfi etwemu yin.
Computer di utu school a wani nyi hu.
Ana program yede ma wo no, wani nhya danje ho.
Ana se na pe boarding school, nanso yede utu day school.
Ana wo de computer ama school bia.
Wano ye eye St. Andrews SHS.
St. Andrews SHS, a grade A private school. Wadi operation Get a Good Senior High School of your choice. Ebramwa, ubi eje chesafi enmfi a etwemu mu.
Your excellent boarding facilities. Ewo home ma ene memma. Me trebia ya woda, ho beto ye pa.
Your courses be a general arts, business, home economics, general science, visual arts, and agric science.
Ye wasin fosu, men kesim, dun konofin and afi sahi asanyensu.
Obetima for 0244 6969 11 so, and 020 789 1004. Kasebonesi, ebusiafo yedamase.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
You don't need to be told. I'm big crime, baby. This is a song for my beautiful girls in the world. Whenever number one again, this shows you my me in down, I say, come on. So when in Cafre, rather let it all bounce. Anytime, anywhere, rather let it all bounce. Now some book, me down for.
Now walk, check, now walk, pen and me count for. So when in Cafre,
anytime, anywhere, rather let it all bounce. All by don't see them and show you.
Ube kumi a ferry. Right, show music of the crime. Right, so Darlington, Kosi Ajaku. Okay, the crime on this one. Cool me shy, Ube Kumia Ferry. But in the meantime, great senior high school, great nationals. As a national senior high school, I'm on the fast track with the schools. I watch more than Hannah come home. Boom. It's almost semi fun to be out, but I will try wash here. And I say, remedial Sinibia will say, so about my swear. Ube kind of one time pan. National senior high school, great nationals. Great nationals.
Baby, don't you watch, but
that's right.
Baby, don't forget. What you room, you tell you.
So we are general art students, visual art students, home economics, agriculture science students, general science. Opens out show me the Ashnibia. Maybe I told you what Koyana Monchan one passing. And I watch your Washini, Bayami and Sandy one passing. Really, I see the watch on the baby. Still now and fast. Pressure. About 2022 was the registration at Kosovo. National Senior High School, the Castle kind of great nationals. I'm on a fast track with the school. And I can't boom. Classes in the shots at 3 p.m. Shannon says, yeah, pre-SHS classes. And my JHS livers. And Michelle Shawut, Miss Samria. Call Chimodan. Chimodan stop over. Chimodan stop over. We do on my home. Fast track remedial classes 10 to know. Say a bohono. Let's try your forms and they're not waffle. It's banana pick your forms. But pick your forms and all. She say, we do or down stop over. Hono now be with a fast track. Ya bought 10 to the see her. Jimmy Show. Who you saw about worry say, and I'm a German chap, and I'm a German chap. Who you about home Quandia about Trecha? Your classes, you know, from Monday to Fridays. The shots at 3 p.m. From 0244 923 636 0244 923 636. And I'm fair winning by the funding come on. That's how we try one time. Alright, so the crime is here. Is here. I remember when this song came, man. I quite the bomb Kutia.
We be the boss, be the key players. We run in the streets, we don't see haters. I can rap way as I see 60 acres. Master Gazi punchy, hammer monto. Madonna, come over, Coco's Agora, and show better. Yeah, come up here when you be and show better. Madonna, come over, Coco's Agora, and show better. Yeah, come up here when you be and show better. Came in the case, some could eat kaji. Yeah, could you shouldn't could eat kaji. Wonder waka, but what's happening? Kaji, go funny. Kaji, I say, yo, bro, no one cook up. But see, my team, bro, when you're bent so. Make a team and yambo. Men are cool, look who me never don't come up. Can the man in the believe in me stop? Tick tock, all feeling the boy 6 packs.
Right, this is time I knew where by Obi Bomb Kutia.
Dancing bats.
Sometimes me coin no Joe when you be on Buffy and Bedaqua.
Come to a fiancé.
Right, so the 6-star general is in the house already. Talented Kosia Jaku. The crime is in the house. Right. So there's this question. My 6-star has been asking me every day. Tell say me the crime. So the crime is here today, and I'll be asking that question for my sister. The crime, good morning.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You have a call. I mean, I'm very happy to sit with you like one-on-one say because one of the days home,
yeah,
I used to jump to your music.
Wow.
And there was this song, get me that song. Minim the title on. Now my name is Sister Kosa anyom no. Ono say anyom the title here only you. Me some say anyom the title here. Is it be me or something? You give me this song, brand new. Yes, brand new. Okay. Now I know gospel. I know who are you. And Sanyo my sister can sing from A to Z.
Okay.
But I mean, what do you want to say?
I'm into it.
I just found new love and I really don't know what to say. So I'm like, you don't need to be told. I'm still surprised, you know. Okay, Gazi, pass me the mic, let's do this. How could I grow up? Yeah, woman, picture me, man, and a major film, I'm in Nobia. Yes, a punch on the FA, Nina Sikaya. I'm Monday, we say, we'll keep the B and the Vasamusa, Massa. We see him Podia, coming, can your Mansasa. And so many white cockani, Panamano, Cressu, Yafa. Mr. Michelle, Mama, Kumashama. Hey. It feels so good ever since I met you. So I'm gonna tell everybody that just look at me now, I feel so brand new. Whoa, whoa, yeah. All my life I will cherish you tender. Cause your love and the pissing on me ninda.
Right, so this is the song. So once you hear, what is the title of this song?
The title is called It's You.
It's You?
Yes.
So what's the star one, eh?
Yeah, it's you.
Reggie, I think, I mean, he knows my sister, Linda. Yeah, so, Monona, you can be a Mr. Pessoto. Hey, steady, mommy. I cover you.
Shout out to Linda.
Right, I cover you.
Yeah.
All right, you know, crime.
Yes, sir.
14 to 15 years. I mean, I stand to be corrected though in the game.
Yeah.
How has this music industry treated you so far?
First of all, I mean, it's here for National Food, you know. And I think so it's a great opportunity to be here as well. I face, the periodic time I work on Huasem, and I think so it's been a wonderful journey because I always say says and I'll still be in the entertainment industry because I just like to be creative. Now me being creative, the amana dance, amana yeso kwama eja midinde obi bia no the creativity part and the uniqueness of how I like to create my stuff. And me dance and the mama so being long in the game and I can still do this any day, anytime.
Right.
And for the treatment, I think the music has done a lot, and it's still doing a lot because I can even in your radio station pay.
True. True, right. It's Q-Pop Records. I mean, you're the president.
Yes, sir.
Then I did Q-Pop Records in your way.
Like I said, I think I'm a creative person. Tina, me, Sebio, Margin, and me used to know more. Maybe no, minim sena styles be brave work room, but then I'm mama dance again. I had to be creative, and I'm a creative tree pop, and a tree pop, and so basically, a chromo casa fused with a foreign casa, and as a foreign instrument. And to know sha, ye chromo casa, whether asante equiapim bono tree. Da Gomba House or whatever. The ninya a to crowfo for a beat so and I'm put a crowfo for Casana Maker and I'm a boy a local engineer. It is tree pop. And I will tree pop no. Even though you're creative, my fan show become but to share I'm sign baby no one more because I'm a foot trap a foreign beat, right? But then Omokrom Casana Monka Guso. These are all tree pop.
Right. Watch your margin because drill no, I mean foreigners. I mean it's from UK.
Exactly.
And you did tree not also. It's your friend or a big friend or Asakana but watch my business is a tree pop.
Yeah, I mean a DNA will be a bit me name Osha Butaye of what something is invented. I guess I was a couple man with my style and I and whatever I in a zone to whatever. But the moment you hear when Obia Ben say, Adwana, what you say, open our own friend is habit. What do you name?
Okay. It's what shall I say? I mean, you started with a lot of Kofu. I mean, you should by slide. Crime. At a point, did you ever feel to say, I have to give up on this music industry thing? I said this music thing because I mean, himself, you are a product of GIG.
Right.
Yes. It's about say, let me just put music aside and concentrate on my degree.
The truth is that these are two questions. I have never felt like me ja and you muda. because I think that aside it being a career or whatever, it's actually a passion. Some way, somehow, I always say that majority of humans are all musicians. Just if you move on your profession, from a career to whoever, they be a yanantiana born shit in my etonium. Yankasa sama benti me jainyum too. You understand? So I don't discourage myself like that. I'm the type of person that I motivate a lot of people. And to me, I'm a mission phone crying. Me jato ha na just say then me patch what you say. So I think that I've never ever thought so okay, you know what, at this point let me just let go of music because it's part of me, it's already in my blood. What you say. From that generations and all that, we are a bunch of musicians, you know. So it would never leave the family. They touched me, you know, with the GIJ thing. I think the GIJ, you know, me call to certify it to make it more professional. But I'm a year that. I was already on Foresight way before I made GIJ, you know, and even way before Foresight, I was already doing this interview thing on my phone. I'm saying, I could be and it dance yeah, that was way back. Now I did my phone in there, and you know, it's always been a passion. Like I said, I say food also. I don't need and you know, I have a lot of things that I do, and I have to attend to all of them.
Right, and in this industry, you know, a lot of people ride on controversies to, you know, stay relevant.
That's true.
But crime, ever since you shot to fame, you said the crime. I say the crimes. You say are they all pesala na?
Number one, me ankasa me dwene me ho. And me did say, nchine ya da ya na nkamfo ne ho. Me ma me nwuma kasa ma me. Obi wo ha na opɛ bad news no to trend, anya me style. Me ye be positive. And no ankasa be ko. What I say, but you see, I look at the longevity of it. Dachi being fear num and I fear do it. You wouldn't mean book compound co which try and correct it and send be an attempt. Did be a woody? See, I didn't think I won't protect it one. That's how I live my life. I think of today and I prepare for the future. But same time, in Neno, I did not the name in da and never an in ra.
True.
And Neno said 24 hours in the panhua. Wouldn't mean co which I'm a corrective Fridays. Until any time that I live to the fullest. I make sure I enjoy it, but same time I'm careful.
Right, it's not more living on controversies. No, do things is the right thing to do as a creative person.
Obiane it's an you know ufufunito. And I will be so friend and yam and I mean jina hobby. And to say be no never buana. Why not on koso and on koso? Make crazy crime then yam style.
Wow.
Yeah.
Stylish. Would you buy uncle for it? Well, I mean, I've been following you for a very long time now.
Yes, sir.
Stylish, and I was like, whoa. There's this song, Money Champion.
We am number one.
Number one.
Yeah.
Me the lyrics, no me the let them out be a fan. Yeah, me the lyrics science.
Wow, yeah, they're right. Yes, you know.
Me the lyrics science.
I think that we do this for the people, and if they are able to use it as well. So I am essentially because. But dreams will be into you.
Exactly. Let me boost out this question.
Yes, sir.
You see, Ghana, you have a zone to buy a cup. We buy a cup drill as a coca. After you have some piano, they know gym a cup. Crime. I mean, you have a lot of experience in this industry.
That's true.
Do you think our Ghana industry has a culture?
Of course, it has a culture. The only thing is that we don't embrace it for long. You creative and yeah Ghana for the anymore. Hospitality soon no and a home no. Ya jia ho you creative but you really ye ja to hotra. I was thinking you're doing longevity plan whereby you bought quite to hoa. You know, and I mean basically you bought quite 2 hours. Say a shessan a bit makasukota near some maintaining. But I'm saying maintaining a penayading or Ghana. But about the creativity there, in this culture, we have a lot. That one there, I won't lie to you.
Right. This is the likes of your talk, a lot of artists about. Do you think a bit more can really stand the test of time?
I mean, I don't think we'll have to see how long they will sustain or not. I mean, they are doing their best. Let us embrace them, you know. I said this one time. People misquoted it and kept saying other things and all that. Yeah, pentem up a new crop of artists. But yes, also pentem I relegate old guys. No, oh, I am uncle. On an episode, Kono Babashanana. In ye because Sabio, Ukrainian to me, carpenter ni adwuma. Carpenter ni so ntimi nya be amazing ni adwuma. Obetimi have a fair idea, but obia ne adwuma nko. And the new artists that are coming in, we need more of them in there. But at the same time, don't be like, oh, and I assume see your OG into no crying in the shocks I am or concha. Meanwhile, the funny thing is, why am re amawo. Only individual now can own a why am amount. But sa OG no, ebi a one the show and Abibisa, he or she can hold that crowd for hours. Ebi a new artist no into me nyesa. Into two ninya yaman tumum ni mum. Mama Ahenkan say, oh, when a new one abano, we all the man be was me be me and sana insia or bet theater. I didn't know about so stress and or bet theater.
Right. It is sir OG at the end. Has it affected you?
I'm always an OG. Maybe OG and I'm proud of it.
Wow.
Yes. Because people also came before me.
True.
For me, old OG. Daddy Lumbers them are older G's. The Ramblers are super older G's. So me, I respect people that came before me, and I will always respect them.
Right. This journey, I think it's 2 albums and 2 EPs.
Well, basically yes.
Yeah, 2 albums and 2 EPs. And maybe say the kind Kasafa the Kosi EP. No.
Yeah.
Why the name Kosi EP?
Well, basically, we didn't Kwesi.
Right.
And our EP is a rap album. I think that people always think that D-Crime came as a singer and all that. I've always been a rapper, so with a rap, sorry, I just wanted to let the people know that, even though you might know the general, you might know Dr. Crime and all that, he started, this is the Kwesi that you know, this is the rapper that you know, and it's always, there's a word that I keep saying, kakatrai. When it comes to rap, man,
Yes, because my follow watch.
Yeah,
you were a rapper then, and then you switched to singing.
You see, that's what you're saying. You were. I never was. I still am.
You are still a rapper, but you see, you name Crime to be a very wonderful singer, very good singer. Is this year now also about Minkasa also about, but also rap will be. What is the new thing?
Sanko Fire and Chi. I never left when it comes to rap, but we always do what is good for business.
True.
When the people want to sing and give it to them.
Right, 93.3 FM. Nkofo Nim said D-Crime was a rapper. Listen to this one.
It was. I never was. I still have a rapper.
The General.
Come on. What's up? Cry? What's up? Cry? What's up? Groom, how do you say aha? What's up, cry, what's up, hey, what's up, cry, what's up, cry, what's up, I think I'm Big Meech, Daddy Lumba, Chairman here, also cry, what's up, Kwesi Misika ba, Bubom Chewufa, Hayatakuleta Quine, why, train, Uber, hey, one son young Bamso alo fito wuri na imuka kari shekazo hey hankani nyakosa ina chicken kwando ina chicken wando tie obiaso be na waya this and two fake ass and ask kissing could be side way back to my tongue twisting between the more boys ever competition the reason why I'm dog move money adwene pa mo fata me meeting next time we try some set me up and hipsy pop when you not be beatings yeah rapper my father 100 to laku from me Medusa cause see the gangster rapper me see them because I'm oh I don't believe it Petro shot a snooker shout outs to my best vocalist Mugi Sluta hey yeah also cry usa also Ray J say also cry usa hey cry usa yeah and I still say was
after the million was he is a rapper. I mean, a solid rapper.
Yes, sir.
I think Amrado was one.
Definitely, Amrado and YP. I think so. These guys. I'm a word play, it baffles my mind a lot. I respect them so very much. That's how come I had to feature them. I'm saying, I'm rapping, I'm assigned Rebecca in a crime on feature, no feature on jam feature, and you're featuring a mempe. Me a young be. Yeah, me saka beating, but Rebecca to when you're my killing in and I told you space nasa hen I miss some good chance will be abaso what yes and featuring a yem penemo ayana I like to put myself in work until ayana most of the times you don't get to see features but if I feature you it means at the end of the day we're a dope or a great artist. That's how come I feature you, yeah.
All right, only Master Gazi aye Jumache.
Yes, sir.
And only kind of saying different producers. Aye Juma. What's the difference between Gazi and then other producers?
There's no difference. They are all great. I mean, I think so I vibe and gel with I vibe and gel with whoever I connect with. Producing and artists now two energy. I would say to me boom. Need to me two and one back. I don't work with producers because I just have to work with no. There's supposed to be a bond and a certain energy,
right.
And if it's vibing, I don't necessarily have to even know you in person. But we've been working from a distance. I mean, the energy is nice,
Right. Next time you Gazi yourself, this song, Big Man.
Yes, sir.
Gazi did a great job on this one. Shawo, is the song ready for me? Right, let's listen.
The General. We made it. Mix Master Gazi. Come on. Pataukra. Everybody now. When you see Cardi Diona Pataukra. Do what you wanna do. If you'll be out with your big man. I said move how you wanna move. When you see Cardi
listen, fitting air call from your boompa. You be wooty yenda. You see me did the Ashem Fruma. Missuna Minti Obio Daddy Lumba. You could different believe by the same God. When is the car where you're so bored? Who was the car to me to award? Ukrom Hene Silver Billboard. Nara said the Allah. When you kakra wakasawa numbola. Cash up, hustle, not pet cover. Obe ball, a ball, it's a big baller. Joe, you wish it was a little taller. Made them my favorite color, and your green dollar. Billionaire's dream to so $T. 2022, dear, you go tear rubber. Ba. Hey. Ooh, huh.
Everybody now.
When you see Cardi deal, na pataukra. Do what you wanna do. If you'll be out with your big man, I said move how you wanna move. Huh. When you see car chillin', na pataukra. I be the same boy. Hey, and then be your top dog. D-Cran, I don't just buy the bar, I buy the whole club. Ugusu wa me number. I think I say you say me ya the rush. What time me ya social distancing? And who hear my force? Fresh boy, I'm chillin'. Then Chambuo gumi sasha me watch. Big man thing. Kasa tinting ain't see night plot. Me ko top made in Ghana. Kantanka me via massage me posh. On kwan wade. Jiwani na life is too short. Everybody now. Oh, Pataukra. Hey.
I love the fact that we talk loud with you.
What's he say?
Top man, Ankasa. And then I got chairman picture.
What's he say? Hey, shout out to boy Ray J, man.
This guy over picture.
I say, fitineko from your boompa. You be wunti yena. You see me did ya sheme fruma. Me so na minti obi o daddy lumba. You could have different belief but the same God. Oni sika we you so bored. O sika ultimate to award. Ukrom hini besi wo be wo board. Na resede Allah. Oni kakra wo kasa wanum bola. Tika sharp cause bamne de hu hia. Tika sharp. Hustle na pet cover. Obe ball ya. Ball is a big baller. Joe, you wish it was a little taller. Made my favorite color, any green dollar. Billionaire's dream to so $T. 2022, you go tear rubber.
Sure.
One just women.
Man, it doesn't show. No, just so crowded that. My lacha no my pocket. This is a tear rubber.
Inshallah.
Right, Cram. This music industry, no, we be complaining say na. Ubema, I say sika seven shut down for. Meaning say music, no, amao when you be, and you say amao kakra when you be. But the issues of musica and Gamro, what do you say? I mean, they are treating you guys fair.
First of all, we need to understand these two entities. Gamro, a royalty collective society or a company whereby it's still governed by the country. Ghana. For now, me know me and you know saying she papa when it comes to the system. And you know, sometimes what you are ujene se ofatano, ebi na mo papa mo enko do some pen so no. But you see, one thing about royalties is that don't sit back and chastise when you haven't taken the steps. Bebre me hu se bebre bastardize nyama. Oh, say oh, mo there na mo ya twa. Obi san se wakọ. I say oh, heaven na me kwa ya. Why do you talk about something you don't know? Anka, this radio we hear now will be paying per play. But and for now, what we can do is we can all support channeler. Bit me abua ama could do some pempen. So because me ye queue me you I get paid. But Amanoni has that system whereby they can just monetize everything. And so for now, I can say it might not be the best, but they are trying their best. Camera, it might not be the best to some of us, but they are trying their best. No kufio ne ba no cry, a some buma bebre. Dachi be a better. Now, when it comes to the other one, Musica, a society, I say press be cool. I optional. It makes sense. But won't come I optional. I'm fan man sign con. They are there to represent the artists and be a dachi be another deal and I say government wants to talk to us. They will go through those channels. What's he say? On can Okanhua Ben Kusambia wa dream man as wakuma should be abisa. But in Mepi, we like to talk about things that we are not part of, we don't know about, and the fire burning is mostly higher. Ebana Ghana has here. We make us say, hey, I say Bruno had the okwazi on Rankasa Mumon call her. Asama kind of creatism, oh nim no crewum. So Okusuka.
Right.
So yes, all the system in Ghana, Ebiana the best. But it doesn't take one day. Me say eventually it will be better for all of us to smile one day.
Right, folks. 93.3 FM. We still tuning to Adwuma. My name is Kobina Kosti, and I have my man D Crime in the studios. Me patch off our messages for 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. And I have a couple of messages here. Obi said, Kobina, hey, I didn't know D Crime was a rapper. Please give him a beat for him to spoil there. Hey, Ubetriana performance video. I mean. Right, anyone so me the point ATM rushes here.
Well, my name is yeah, let me say that myself. You don't need to be told who done it.
Was story to that particular
song. This one.
I was depressed for 2 years.
Wow.
Yes, serious story. And at a point, now for me, so I decided to learn beat making.
Okay.
So one day, my madam from the studio, we were trying our hands on something, pata. And then Obinya call. It was this song. See, and you achieve na me say that.
Yeah.
So it did crime. And I'm download here from that night. And I mean, it motivated me. I felt that whatever I'm going through, I still have to be me. I have to let everything go.
Gotta be original.
It's not because what they want yes, about the letter.
Yeah.
About the motivation.
I'm glad to hear stories like this because who said right? You are inspired by a lot of things. But one thing I always say is Miss Ahenkan say, don't play with lyrics because you'll be a rapper. So we start take what dream keke o ka say obi bia o do account to bia e bia ka last thing Ghana for abo bonity before you know
no be a cause
obi di obi ka can 10 Ghana what you say you might think say it's just lyrics you're playing around them before you know them people might be taking it serious you know en kransha kan ye eto amanfo akoma so e odo di ni o fire boni bi so akambani nsi what you say I think that and you know music will treat you the way you treat it opeso hwe obehwe opeso ojeje otu ojeje mu so be yosa you know you have to take every lyric serious.
Right. Crime, you travel the world. What called shows about China there? Compared to audience here in Ghana, in terms of shows. Who is saying? I say, you know, Dreby. Your fan said 3 music awards, VJs, Obi at the front row on Sorensa. But elsewhere, enter sir. Who is saying, you know, then my
I think only where my dream openly. It's not about any other concert because event begin. I don't want to attribute this comment to any of these events.
Right.
It's where a general assessment I make. We have composers, we have singers, we have entertainers, and some entertainers and they performers. So when you're lucky now, we just a singer, but no entertainer and a performer. Of course, one judging kofuneni. What you say? Every event be an whole type of person also whatever. You know, I na call 3 ways in audience no nya born say with your ticket or baba hwe. But you need to give them an entertainer, a proper performer, you know. And say you be wa reactors we think of as about comedy show. Why not just on say that but to be mama na obama na giggle. No nya ready. But I could do some pempens. So you two, when you were booking the people, look at that. Don't just think again. It's hard to me want to bit me shake you. To friend, no consider those things. They are tossing me, crowd, give them what they want, and they, of course they will be hyped up because being tisi can't go right at time for being shut down 50 out of 100%. The why not just on 10%, 19 are ready to be entertained. So you have to put things in place whereby it wouldn't just be music and kwana wobo. DJ now baba kwana, it has to be a crowd shaker, you know, because I've been to a lot of programs whereby artists and DJs with me born now you know we just go crazy because when he knows how to move the people, you know. So real quick, let me say shouts to DJ Weezy, one of the greatest, my DJ, you know, he's one of the greatest. He can just make you dance like he can just make it happen, you know. And so Bisano, I think so also be considered from the event organizer to the artist that was selected to the type of ground and the crowd. What you say?
Right. DJ Weezy, I've met him once, and then in fact I was wowed by his performance.
Yeah, Weezy is dangerous.
Yeah, me shano one pay.
You don't need to be told on. You don't need to be told on. I'm big crime, baby. This is a song for my beautiful girls in the world.
Come on. Oh yeah. I say mama don't see many girls, but I swear you are different too. What am I told I'm into your go? Cause see your beauty to make it cool. And anytime I see your face, I'd love to sing this song. Cause I'm all you show me love. And it's so much, now me dem a come in the baba mavo. Me dem crying in the ped in your naba count. All the time I send them my young worry. Now me penny 10 crowns and a time a pound. And I'm dem a come in the baba mavo. Me dem crying in the ped in your naba count. Well, she ran me a doby and mamindo. Relalalio. Come me a fairy. Come me a fairy. Nana come me a fairy. Nana come me a fairy. Hey.
Sanka me in a tinsa welcome them to one quarter. Tiba we never know some me if you say me when I mean maybe. As I mean Libya what you see me and up and you right a mechi. Men pay when you me pay the ever ya. And it's so much na me dem come in the baba mavo. Hey, all the time was in my young worry. I'm a penitent and crowns and a time about. And I made them come in the baba mavo. Made them cram in the pedin in the Hey.
So, what this song actually shot you to fame? How was the feeling?
I always tell people that I don't know when I became famous. I've always been me.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, it's only that. Go for 10 anymore. I say I'm pimping anymore. Niba pimping anymore. I say I pay anymore. But I'm always me. So there's no difference from and you're started about radio and only I've been doing me.
Wow.
It's just that I grow. There's always growth. If it was stage on the floor, see I stage a worry. If you stage a worry, I see corporate shows also we share code and I also performing with playing. I think there's only growth. But I never knew when I was famous, and I've always been me.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So where my ladies are, me patcho, she said, "Person need grand income, me pay me man." Come with them, me call ladies, she have a me she What's it? Right, so 0554820910, 0554820910. The crime is in the house. I hope I saw anything come. I mean, whatever you want to tell him, whatever you want to ask him, he is here in the house, especially the ladies. Yeah, man, more. 0554820910. Good morning. You're first on Casa Free.
Hello.
Yes, dear. You're first on Casa Free.
Salome near that Pentecost.
Salome or down Pentecost. The crime is in the house. Talk to him.
Oh.
Oba Salo.
Yeah.
What poem to sing?
Na me don't know.
It is so subai.
Now we are there. No, I don't know why. See, from I bought it. We be away. Come on.
Matimeda says Salo.
Me feel Bibia.
Hey, me Bibia.
I started feeling Bibia. You are me free so here.
Even me hana me hanyina.
Bibia.
Salo wa mitia hono me da ase.
All right, thank you. 0554820910. Hello, good morning. Oh, hello. Yeah. 0554820910. 0554820910. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, dear. You're first or Casa Free?
I'm talking to.
Me pa say? Ma one so.
My name is Mr. Kofi Adwuma.
Hey. Me pa mean you.
I'm talking to London.
Hey. Serious. Me pa ma mental casa ni. Why? The crime is in the house. Ma mental casa here.
My name is Mr. Kofi Adwuma.
Baby. Where the man you with so quick cry. I'm sorry. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, boss. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
You're first, sir, Casa Free.
Because I feel our boy,
Mammy, too, the crime of ya.
Only our Korea, meaning that your channel gate now, we are no one on the west in the Kumino. The west in the Kumino. And now I'm a young carry a down, you're down,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0554820910. Maybe I should wait for my Vodafone. I think it's empty. It'll be just the gig. Vodafone is 0201 944 0201 944 and MTN is 0554820910. Okay, hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, I send you for your name.
Yes, sir. You don't need to be told, man. Only I'm Mishaha.
You press my phone and Venya de
What's it?
What's up, man? Gonna fire day.
When you press my phone, Venya
So, we are just with my friend 0201944485. You say on number show
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Over here, a high vibe event. any ODA music. Ray Jeezy.
Sometimes I will in
Or you're busy businessman. Yeah, you're busy businessman. I think that it's all about Odan with day. Yeah, party hangout. I also remember the Nyame watching. Yeah, under.
Rice under,
the joint. So sorry.
Party office.
Yeah, the party office. Into my Mrs. Subium, or down with day. Or down with day hangout party. I also rice under party office. Yeah, Nyame boy China. You share. Only say minute. Or down there, you say Miami fee. Yes. So now this time around, our party office, our rice under her. Time now you starting now you know see sharp
6.
But your 6 in your Ghana man time.
No,
6.
Only funny enough for me sending message say come now. One say I say they be am camera for and now about so I check me
no see sharp. Into I'm say me person be a bar around here boom what you say because at the end of the day I think say about ODA history that and we're just here to rekindle the history and make it more blossom because 2022 they needed that you be the apata yakra will be a big man thing to me but so be a bar around na yes say what you say
right mama will be a genius watch okokra ogni bukrefu right yeah call news for my board room CC I'm my last face now for proper
so yeah first of all me BBS whoever tuned in right now Costi to you God bless you as well Ahenkan 93.3 I want to say shout outs to Ray J here I want to say shout outs to Prince shout outs to DJ Weezy Sharif and all my people everybody out there Zygot man Charlie big ups to Zygot as well I face rice and the honor is happening I may boy China. Like I said, time near 6 p.m. And you're gonna man time. I record. Could be praised, man. Shout outs to you as well. And all the all my hometown. And listen, Kaku Bonde to God, God bless you, my brother, man. Respect to him. Yeah, yeah.
Could be praised the Medjano. Medjano could be praised, man. I can't want to catch them, Mr. Mecani ala channel.
I feel over Sima Patao cry. So Obibia big man is out there. It didn't need a Dr. Crime, Tini, but your DR space CRYME. So I'm spelling me Dr. Crime, And I the title a big man. Big man is BIGMAN. When your boy na Patao crab. Just jam him, if I'm to be TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, everywhere. Now I'm on target me.
Right, they can follow you on YouTube as well.
YouTube, baby, I didn't hear Dr. Crime, DRCRYME. God bless, man.
Right, God bless you. Right, Ebusian. So we just had D Crime in the studios. Nyako Ponya the more chance, so more than we day. I watch more than rice under. Yeah, I will be there definitely. I must be there. Into big shouts to my man Ray J, Kobe Praise, and then Zygots near the end. You call your friend Jenny me champion boating Cosmos. Friend me Bruce Money. From me Kobina Costi. From a Branty the perfect gentleman. Me come bomb Sambrani. You forgot to go. You know, Ocha be when you me Ikru Abuji Todi. Wando.